right, so again, radian mode, guys. Then it says inverse sine. Do you guys see inverse sine anywhere on here?
Yeah. Sine inverse.
All right, so you have to push second, sine, and then 0.3571. Am I remembering right? And you push enter. All right, you're going to round to 3 decimal places for me, so that's going to be 0.365. And you are done with number 1.
Wait, are we doing no way? That's all we.
These are notes.
Oh, I didn't. Wait, this notes?
It's notes, guys.
Wait, what's the difference between radian?
So there are 2 different ways to measure it. That's like asking what's the difference between centimeters and inches. Okay. So like pi over 6 is equivalent to 30 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. What was it again? 0.365, is that right? Okay. All right. Try number 2 for me.
No.
All right, guys. What is your answer? Can we round?
2.8.
By 2.8, do you mean 0.28?
Well, no, you said round to the 100, right?
But you can't turn 0.280 into 2.8.
I did 280.
He said 0.28. 0.279.
Yeah,
I don't know who said it. Somebody said 2.8. Brenna heard it, yes.
Oh, I meant to say 0.28. I might have said 2.8. My bad.
Just understanding those are different. All right. Number 3, do we have a secant key on our calculator?
No, we don't.
Okay. It's related to cosine, but let's think about where the 1 over comes into play. So let's go back to something you know. You don't have to write this down. If I asked you inverse secant of 2, okay, what is that the same as me asking you?
1 over cosine.
No, it's the 1/2 for the cosine, right?
Inverse cosine of 1/2, right? Those are the same questions, essentially. Okay. So in our problem, where's the 1 over come into play? Okay, look again. Where did the 1 over happen here? In the parentheses. So where's the 1 over going to happen here?
Oh, so we do 1 divided by that?
Yes, you're going to do inverse cosine. I know it's because you've got a decimal and a fraction, but that's okay. That's what you key in, okay?
Oh.
Oh, so painful.
Wait, yeah, I could if you just write 1 over the point.
Well, it's inverse cosine of that.
Cyrus.
Hi, Cyrus.
Oh, you're speaking.
You should be getting 2.011. Is that what you're getting?
Yes.
Okay. Your calculator's not cooperating. Let me know. Try 4, 5, and 6. I know we're going to go to lunch here, but try those 3. Same idea as number 3. You do not have a cotangent key.
What if it was this easy already? Like we didn't have to do to solve the.
I think you're going to find that part to be pretty easy too. All right, guys, go to lunch. We'll do it after, okay? All right, guys, so 4 is 0.263. What'd you get for 5?
Negative 1.
Good, negative 1.102. And are you done with 6?
1.755.
Good, 1.755. All right, guys, questions on those? Yeah, Kara.
Inverse cosine.
No, I did inverse tangent of 1. Yep, okay. Okay. All right, guys, next section then we are solving. Okay, there's a long way to do this and a short, easy way. We're going to just do the short, easy way, okay? All right, so on your calculator, first, what do the directions say we're solving from what to what?
0 to 360.
Okay, so do you think that we should be in radians or degrees? Degrees, it's 360 degrees, right? So I need you to go to your mode and change it back to degrees, or 2 degrees if it was never in degrees. So just go over highlight. All right, everybody in degree mode.
Yeah.
Are we in degree mode? Okay. All right. What we're going to do then is graph this. So I'm going to go to the y equals. And I believe those are my two sides of the equation, right? 8 cosine x plus 3, is that the left side? And then 5 cosine x plus 5, is that the right side? I don't have it in front of me, so.
Yeah.
Okay. So rather than moving a bunch of stuff around algebraically, just put the left side in as y1 and the right side in as y2. Please notice I've closed the parenthesis around the x. You need to do that. Okay. Don't push graph yet, because probably nothing's going to show up for you. We're going to change our window. Okay, everybody have it keyed in? Okay, go to window. That's up here on the top. All right, it said solve from 0 to 360. So my x minimum should be 0, and my x maximum should be 360. Window. Okay, so do what the directions tell you to do. You don't have to remember what this is. It's in the problem. Then you can go ahead and hit graph. Hopefully you have something that looks like this. All right, if you are not getting that, or if you're getting error, let me know.
What the?
Instead, you need your window to be 0 to 360. Hang on. Okay, your mode and degree. So your graph looks like madness. You know either your mode or your window is
Oh, hot, hot.
Wow.
X. Is X equal to 180? Oh. That works out.
You're wrong.
That's
Are you right?
You good with this graph? Yes. Okay. All right. Anybody trouble?
the X value is 180.
Okay. So, where do you think the solutions are to this? Like I've got this lovely graph. Where are my answers?
The intersection.
Yeah, I need to figure out this. I need to figure out this. Do you think I want to just approximate it and go, it's kind of close to it?
No.
No, I want the exact value. So we can calculate that. So push second and then trace. Second, trace. Takes you into the calculate menu. Okay, I am picking number 5 because I want to know where they intersect. Okay, what this is asking you. See how the flashy thing is on this graph? It's saying, is that the first curve we're looking at? It's asking you.
Yeah.
Yes, so you push enter. Okay, and then it moves up to the other line. Is that the second curve? Yes. Then finally it says, would you like me to guess for you? Yes, you would like your calculator to guess. So push enter one more time. Your calculator's pretty good at guessing. Okay, so that's where they cross. Do you think I want the x or the y value? X. Okay, did you find the one on the left? Did anybody's calculator go left instead of right? That's okay.
I set it up to do that. It's like,
Well, okay.
oh.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we have to find both of them, so that's okay. So go ahead and jot down the first one. It'd be 311.810. And then we're going to do that process again. So second trace. Pick number 5. But before you start pushing enter, 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 if I do it again right where it is, I'm going to get the exact same answer. How do you think I get over to the other one? Yeah, you just arrow over it, and you don't have to go all the way to the other intersection. You just want to be closer to it than you currently are. So yours is probably faster than mine. All right, that's closer, right? So then I can do enter, enter, enter. And I get 48.190. Anybody having trouble with this intersection stuff? Write them both down. 48.190. And the other one was what? 311.1181. Whoa, what? 311 point what?
810.
Okay, thanks. And we're in degree mode, so I will put my little degree symbol there. So guys, there's not really any work you have to show me. It's just, can you do it? Yes or no? Questions on that one? Yes.
So it's like the Y relevant.
Yep. Because what we're finding, do you see how it's only x that's represented in the equation? X is what you're solving for. The y is just, oh, they have the same y value at this specific x value. Okay. All right, try number 2. Tangents are going to look a little weird, so try 2, and we'll see how you do. Obviously, the tangent graph is going to look different than a sine or a cosine graph.
I gotta fix my window.
Yeah. You should have 2 answers for this one.
Why do you think so? This is so satisfying. Like watching the zoomed out version of the drawing all those tangent lines.
Check with your neighbor, see if you guys agree. When you're ready, look up here. Got it?
Whoa, you.
arrow over to your legs. Until you're like
Oh.
kind of near it. Like that's all.
My only goes to I want to hold the way.
Into your window. Wait. Yeah.
What should your window be
Oh,
right
so.
As fun as that is, you have
You're a good man. Just no car. Father, my kids. Father,
I don't know how to do this.
struggling.
Look, there's no.
That's a notice that.
No, there's no try. There's only two or two now.
Philip has my third one.
I'm struggling. I found this one. Where's
So
it?
second trace out and then just arrow to the left until that flashing thing goes up on the left.
On this part. Oh, on this part.
Yeah, move it.
Oh,
Okay.
these ones were really complicated. 16.
I got it.
So
I
second,
got it.
Thanks. That was good.
2 or 2. No, there's no
second trace.
No, it's not.
See this thing?
Yeah.
I want it to be over closer to that one. Well, you already did this one. So do you think of what over here?
Yeah.
Or do you think? And it disappeared, which is always weird. You know, it's over there. Alright, anybody else struggling to get that second one?
I heard the picture.
Okay. So number two. So change it down 0 to 360. There were
Yeah.
you see there on the okay, so section trace. Arrow up, there you go. Now you can enter it.
Yeah, the blisters.
If you zoom up, just use the window. If you're not seeing what you need to see, then go back into the window and just change the Y. But actually, you're welcome. All right, guys, one more on this part. Okay, number 3, solve the equation from 0 to 2 pi. Radian mode. And what else do you need to change? Window. All right, you guys try it. All right, guys, try number 3. Just push second on, and that should like stop this one forever.
Oh, sign.
We've changed mode, and you have to change your window. So for your X max, guys, you can just type in a 2 pi, and then it'll change it to the decimal. But do 2 and then the pi symbol. What? Yep. Still finding the intersections, all that stuff.
No, I was like,
On my calculator.
I actually get graphed too soon, and it's just like, it took a while for that to happen. I'm good now. Yeah.
Then go back.
Yeah. It takes so long.
Two things you gotta change. Change the mode, change the window. When you get this crazy looking graph, you forgot one of those two things.
Man, don't mess that up next time, Lucy. What did you change? What did you say you changed?
Jackson.
You forgot to change it too. That's all. I'll figure out what to do again.
Yes. You do.
You did good.
What mode should you be in?
I don't know. But like, am I
Oh yeah, no.
All right.
Maybe you're the other one.
I did it.
Well, I think it was past, like, rain.
No, it's 8.
Three. There is one. You just have to arrow over and up onto that. Okay. Try that one again. All right, guys. One of your answers should have been 3.481. $5.943. Are we okay on this part of 27? Okay, I'll look again here in a second. Yes.
On like tests or like standards, we'll say it's around 1,000.
Yep. All right, questions so far on 27? Easy so far? I mean, it's tedious and takes time to key it in, but is any of this actually hard? No. It's tough. It's not hard.
Area of time, that's pretty hard.
Oh, well. Let's look at them together then. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the rest of 27. This is not hard, okay? Save it for next week. Yeah, but then you guys have like over half an hour left. What are you gonna do that's...
Three quizzes. What?
I have to do this in my other classes next week, so you guys were ahead just because I taught you on Wednesday and didn't teach them, you know, junior focus day. So we can do it on Tuesday is when I see you next, right? You're welcome.
Say it's Tuesday.
Sure. All right
I
then.
have no idea.
So, homework. All you have is 7 through 10 on the back of this. That's it, guys. That's it. This is what we're going to do for homework for Standard 27 for this first part. Yes, do it now. Get it done, okay? Get her done. Yeah.